Good day, good people. What's up, what's up, what's up? It's me, your homegirl, Ladosha Wright, giving you guys just a little bit of tip for the day. How many hairstylists out there on the feed rocking with me? How y'all doing out there? Okay, so the question is, how many times have you heard a customer say, the reason why I didn't comb or wash my hair is because I was coming to the hair salon? So here's the thing, we're always promoting that a salon visit is not about being cute or looking good. It's really about an investment in yourself. So to help protect that investment, or better yet, get the best return on your investment, you always want to make sure you come in with a very clean head of hair. And if you have long hair or textured hair, especially when it comes to any form of chemical service, make sure you comb the hair thoroughly. When hair is like this before chemical services, you kind of risk for having a little bit irritation. Also, you want to make sure that the cuticle layers are nice and smooth and coated by combing your hair to ensure that you are going to get the best color application possible, and also, of course, have the best color results. So make sure you're combing your hair really, really good before you come to the hair salon, kind of like brushing your teeth before you go to the dentist. No cosmetologist on the market is gonna, or in the industry, will be upset about you combing your hair thoroughly before you come to the hair salon. And again, the goal is to reduce scalp irritation and to have better results. But let's just say, I don't comb it because it hurts. It just hurts when I comb it. So here's the thing. The only reason why it's hurting when you comb it is because the cuticles are raised up. So the pH is it's up a little too high. So all you have to do is use just a little oil and go right to where the tangle is. Or you can also use something like a Satin, something like a leave-in conditioner, and that will also adjust. Or you can put just a little oil sheen on that section where it's a little tangle. Now remember, you've got to be using the right comb. So we're going to comb this through, and voila, you see that? So now that's going to reduce the hurting. Remember, hair care and hairstyling are about three things: the right products, the right tools, and the right techniques. It's just that simple. So now we have, her hair is the bomb, y'all. This lady's hair is the whippity snap. So I like to empower, rather, not just give, but I really like to empower my guests with all types of wonderful little nuggets, that's going to help them get the best bang for their buck. It's going to save them time at the hair salon. After all, this is during a pandemic, and folks want to get up out of here. They want to get home before it turns dark and all that cool stuff. So let's make sure that we empower our customers. So again, before all chemical services, make sure that you're going to, better yet, all services. It's okay to clean your hair up to at least, 4 days before you get any chemical services. You don't want to wash it the same day because that could cause some irritation, and maybe not the night before, depending on what you're getting, but definitely 2 to 3 days or 5 days before you get your chemical service. Also, make sure your hair is nice and combed through, and then you're going to be surprised at how much faster your salon visit will go. You're definitely going to save so much, I said time, so you're going to save time. You're going to have better results, right? And then you're just going to have the most beautiful, healthiest head of hair. So that's what happens when you do that. Thank you so very much. You know what I say when I'm always signing out, right? Happy Black History Month. And a whole lot of love, a whole lot of peace, and definitely a whole lot of beautiful hair. And don't forget, if you don't have any hair, okay, stay in hair, whatever. Just rub your beautiful bald head. Why? Because bald hairs are beautiful too. Ooh.